Just because I don't have money doesn't mean I can't love you, honey. And just for you, I'm putting out for two. I'll pick you up in my '89 Corolla, drive around till we overheat the motor. I'll sit right there, I'll sing for you, my dear, the poor man blues. Boss man says, son, you've been slipping. You're checking out when you're punching in your ticket. And I know it's true, but now he can see it too. I say, hey there folks, how you doing, mister? They flip me off and I'm a dinner all day long. But now this goes on, the poor man blues. But this is it, don't get no worse, I reckon. I'm cashing money that I don't have in my checking. Oh, told my landlord I'll be late just a week or two. So I'll just keep on singing the poor man blues. Why don't you play some of the poor man blues for the people? Well, I broke my car driving around my lady. I quit my job so I don't have to paint it or what to do. Said I sit down and drink or two. I sit down, enjoy a little sunshine, 'cause I know we're gonna be alright. I lift my chin, doggone it, I'm gonna take this in, the poor man blues. I just keep singing the poor man blues. Oh, the poor man blues. Holla. Right out.